Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm turning an old helium tank into a super cool and convenient mini grill. Let's jump right in. First, I cut off the entire handle section on top of the tank. Then I split the tank right down the middle. One half will be the grill body, and the other half will be the lid. Next, I smoothed out all the cut edges to make sure it's safe to use. I also drilled some holes at the bottom to help improve airflow, so the charcoal burns better. I didn't throw away the handle I cut off earlier. Instead, I welded it back together to make the grill stand, saving materials and staying true to the recycling idea. To make the lid open and close smoothly, I added a hinge between the two halves and secured it with rivets. For extra stability, I welded on another support leg. Then I attached a small handle on the lid to make opening it easier. Next, I cut and welded two steel frames inside the grill body. The top frame is for holding the cooking grate. I cut into the body slightly so the frame fits snugly and doesn't shift around. The bottom frame is used to hold the charcoal tray and create space for airflow, helping the charcoal burn hotter and more evenly. Once the frames were done, I placed the cooking grate in position. The grate is made from round steel rods welded parallel to each other. Strong, open, and great for heat distribution. Finally, I painted the entire grill one solid color to make it look clean, neat, and more finished. After painting, it honestly looks like a brand new product. And that's it. The mini grill is complete. Now let's test it out and see how it performs. I added a good amount of charcoal and lit it up. Once the coals were glowing red, I started grilling. The results were awesome. Golden, juicy sausages cooked evenly and looking super appetizing. This little grill is compact, portable, and very durable thanks to its solid steel build. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.